2026 is already shaping up to be a massive year for tool innovation, and Milwaukee Tool is clearly not holding back. From smarter diagnostics to heavy-duty job site solutions, this new lineup brings tools that don't just upgrade performance, they completely rethink how work gets done. So let's jump straight into the latest Milwaukee tools that are ready to change the game. For quick and efficient cleanup, the Milwaukee M18 Brushless Handheld Vacuum provides a compact yet powerful solution that fits perfectly into daily job site tasks. Designed with an ergonomic form and a comfortable handle, it allows easy handling even during longer cleaning sessions or when working in tight spaces. At the same time, the integrated debris separator plays a major role in maintaining strong airflow, especially when dealing with fine dust like sawdust, drywall particles, or metal shavings. Because of this, it reduces the need for frequent filter cleaning, saving time and keeping productivity high throughout the day. Powered by a high-performing brushless motor, the vacuum delivers 40 CFM and 63 inches of suction, making it strong enough for most job site messes. When paired with an M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery, it provides over 20 minutes of runtime, which is ideal for quick cleanups without interruption. Another useful addition is the LED ring around the nozzle, which provides shadowless lighting in dim environments, allowing you to clearly see debris while cleaning. The easy-to-remove tank with a quick-release latch simplifies disposal, while the HEPA filter ensures fine dust is properly captured. Along with that, the included accessories like the flexible hose, extension wands, crevice tool, and pivoting floor tool make it versatile enough for multiple cleanup situations. When it comes to inspection work, the Milwaukee M12 Auto Shop Borescope brings speed, clarity, and convenience into one tool. Designed specifically for automotive environments, it features a large 5.5-inch HD touchscreen that allows users to clearly view inspection areas and document findings instantly. One of its standout features is the built-in Wi-Fi file sharing, which allows technicians to quickly send images and videos via email for faster repair approvals. In addition, it includes onboard tools to add context, such as drawing, audio recording, text input, and even video trimming, making documentation far more detailed and professional. Thanks to its slim 5mm camera access, it can easily reach tight spaces like glow plug holes and fuel injector ports. Meanwhile, the front and side view cameras, combined with adjustable LED brightness, provide better viewing angles and improved visibility in dark or confined areas. The high-definition imaging with 4x zoom helps detect even small issues like hairline cracks, increasing confidence during diagnostics. To protect the tool, HeatSense technology alerts the user if temperatures are too high and automatically shuts it down to prevent damage. Plus, the field-replaceable camera cable helps reduce downtime and keeps the tool running longer on the job. For high-risk environments where dust control is critical, the Milwaukee M-Class AC/DC Dust Extractor delivers both performance and reliability. Designed to operate on both battery and mains power, it offers maximum flexibility across different job site conditions without sacrificing efficiency. Equipped with dual HEPA H13 filters, it achieves 99.99% dust extraction efficiency, making it suitable for handling hazardous fine dust. In addition, the automatic filter cleaning system continuously maintains airflow, ensuring consistent performance without interrupting work. With up to 70 minutes of runtime on battery power, it supports cordless operation when mains power is not available. The VacLink wireless control allows automatic activation through compatible tools or a remote, which helps reduce unnecessary runtime and improves workflow efficiency. It also includes a universal DEK26 adapter, making it compatible with a wide range of Milwaukee power tools, along with support for over 30 dedicated dust extraction solutions. Fully integrated with the PACKOUT system, it ensures easy transport, secure stacking, and organized storage across the job site. Starting off strong, the Milwaukee Branch Conduit Bender introduces a completely new approach to conduit bending on the job site. As the first portable cordless conduit bender in the industry, it is specifically designed for commercial and industrial electricians working on branch installations. With the ability to handle up to 1-inch EMT and 3/4-inch RMC, it allows bending directly at the point of installation, which means less movement and a much more efficient workflow. In addition, it delivers extremely fast bends from start to finish, helping electricians complete tasks quicker without sacrificing accuracy. Its optimized working height, along with the shoe and backformer orientation, keeps all critical layout points and bend planes clearly visible in a single ergonomic position. Because of this, users can maintain better control and precision throughout the process. What truly sets it apart, however, is the Auto Zero technology, which automatically senses 0 degrees on every bend. This ensures consistent and accurate results across every pipe and throughout the tool's lifespan. As a result, it significantly reduces rework, especially in multi-raceway installations. On top of that, it requires up to 10 times less peak lower back muscle effort compared to manual bending, making it far less physically demanding. Powered by a brushless motor and M18 red lithium batteries, it can deliver up to 110 bends on 3/4-inch EMT, making it a reliable all-day performer on demanding job sites. For plumbing inspections and maintenance tasks, the Milwaukee M12 75-foot drain camera offers a reliable and easy-to-use solution. Equipped with a flexible push cable and an 18mm HD camera, it smoothly navigates tight bends while reaching distances of up to 75 feet in pipes ranging from 1.5 inches to 4 inches. Because of its compact design and PACKOUT compatibility, transporting the tool becomes much easier, allowing for a one-trip setup while also helping contain mess during operation. The integrated display can be adjusted for different viewing angles, ensuring clear visuals no matter the working environment. The 7-inch touchscreen is daylight readable, which makes it practical for both indoors and outdoors. Features like zoom and pan allow for more detailed inspections, while the ability to capture photos and videos and export them directly helps streamline reporting and decision-making. Altogether, it reduces downtime and makes diagnosing blockages faster and more efficient. Precision and control are key when working with fasteners, and the Milwaukee Click Torque Wrench is built to deliver both with consistency. It features bold, high-contrast markings that make torque adjustments quick and easy even in low light conditions. In addition, the laser-edged markings are designed to last, ensuring long-term durability without fading over time. Once the desired torque is reached, the wrench provides a strong breakaway feel along with a clear audible click, giving users confidence that the job is done correctly. Its 4 degrees arc swing allows it to operate in tight spaces where larger movements are not possible, making it highly practical for confined areas. With an accuracy rating of plus or minus 3%, it ensures reliable and repeatable results every time, while the all-metal knurled handle provides a secure and comfortable grip for maximum control. Stepping into heavy-duty cleanup, the Milwaukee NEXUS 23L L-Class vacuum is designed to handle demanding job site conditions with ease. Built on the M18 platform and fully compatible with PACKOUT, it combines strong suction power with complete mobility, eliminating the need for constant mains power. It is capable of covering up to 390 square meters on a single charge and up to 545 square meters when using a dual battery setup, making it ideal for large cleanup tasks. At the same time, the integrated VacLink wireless control allows the vacuum to activate automatically through compatible tools or a remote, which helps reduce unnecessary runtime and improves workflow efficiency. To maintain consistent performance, optional mid-stack accessories can separate up to 99% of debris before it reaches the vacuum, while also enabling a fully contained 5-second filter cleaning process. This ensures airflow remains strong even during extended use. Combined with compatibility across more than 100 PACKOUT solutions, it allows users to stack, store, and transport everything together for a more organized and mobile setup. When it comes to tool storage, the Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling drawer brings both durability and convenience into one system. Built as part of the PACKOUT modular storage lineup, it is designed to handle tough job site conditions while keeping tools easily accessible.
The quick one-handed opening mechanism allows users to access tools without removing stacked units, which helps maintain workflow efficiency. With a 250-pound weight capacity, it can store heavy tools and materials without any issue. In addition, the versatile divider system allows for customized organization, ensuring everything stays in place during transport. The fully collapsible handle, combined with rugged 9-inch all-terrain wheels, makes moving the unit across rough surfaces much easier. Metal-reinforced corners and an impact-resistant body provide long-term durability, while the interior organization tray adds extra storage flexibility. And since it is fully compatible with all PACKOUT components, it allows users to build and expand their storage system as needed. For precise and controlled cleanup, the Milwaukee 0887 Brushless Precision Blower delivers impressive performance in a compact design. Built for tight and hard-to-reach areas, it produces up to 570 mph airspeed and 39 CFM, making it highly effective at clearing stubborn debris. With 3 distinct power modes and a variable speed trigger, users get full control over airflow depending on the task. In max runtime mode, it can run for over 30 minutes using an M18 Red Lithium CX 5.0 battery, which makes it suitable for extended cleanup jobs. Despite its power, the tool remains compact at just 7 inches in length and weighs only 2 pounds, making it easy to handle for longer periods. The integrated LED light improves visibility in dim environments, while the trigger lock-on feature reduces fatigue during continuous use. It also includes 3 interchangeable rubber nozzles, a short 6mm, a long 10mm, and an inflator nozzle, adding versatility for different applications. The magnetic nozzle holder, along with hang holes and a lanyard loop, ensures convenient storage and quick access on the job. Wrapping things up with serious outdoor performance, the Milwaukee 21-inch Auger propelled single-stage snowblower stands out as one of the most powerful options in its category. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, it delivers instant startups and uses auger propulsion to move smoothly through snow. With up to 7.5 peak horsepower, it has enough power to clear deep and heavy snow without stalling, allowing users to take full advantage of the clearing width. The chute, which is up to 40% wider, improves snow processing and helps complete tasks faster from start to finish. At the same time, it operates 10 decibels quieter than comparable gas-powered units, making it less disruptive during use. The dual battery system, along with additional battery terminals, extends runtime significantly. When equipped with M18 Red Lithium Forge 12.0 batteries, it can clear up to 11 car spaces or 500 feet of sidewalk with 6 inches of snow. Additional features like the adjustable chute, durable rubber auger, and rust-resistant dual-coated frame ensure long-term reliability. Meanwhile, strategically placed headlights on the handlebars improve visibility, allowing users to work more safely in low light conditions. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!